1, 5, 24. Max and Kai put together this cabinet. Kai did the top part and the sides, and Max did the show. We're good, Gong? Maxie, can you show the part you did?
You did not do that one.
Kai did this one.
I did the tops and the sides.
I did this, and this.
Yeah, you did the drawers.
I did the drawers.
Yep, that's right.
I did
Mom and Annika did like the bottom part.
Yep.
You need to take that off.
All right. So we got these 2 dowels extra, and the earthquake one we didn't use because our kids are older now. We'll just put the earthquake inside. And so this thing that we put together looks like this. 4-1207, updated 28 May 2024. And do we have any more documentation? So make sure you do all your inventory counts before you start. And when you turn it, step 1, 2, and 3, this little arrow here looks different. See? If this is 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, this will end up at maybe past 9, so 10 o'clock. Once that hits 10 o'clock, don't go to 11. That's too much. You don't actually have to use a mallet. It just goes straight in. And they'll look flush like that. And for this guy, make sure you don't stop here. Stop until the piece of metal, which is this piece of metal, goes all the way to the wood, which looks like that. And then you only have 1 X and 1 Y. And then H, G looks like this because there's a little notch on the top. That's different. And then E and F is a little tricky, so pay attention to that. And make sure you always have all your inventory before you start, because if you miss one of these things, it's like a jigsaw puzzle. When you get there, you don't finish. So make sure you notice G has a little notch here, and pick Y first over X. And each one of these have stickers on them. Each one of them has a G and H. There's 2 H's. And look at all these little holes. It should match exactly like that. So when it tells you to put in these metal screw things first, put it first. Then once these come down, then you run these in. And that's where it's supposed to go, like 10 o'clock, these things. Now, D, F, and E. Notice the F and the E is, F goes there, E goes there. But this side over here has no screws on the E, because the E can go flip both ways. You can put it like this, or you can put it like this. But it has to be like this, because this metal part is on the inside, not the outside. Once you do that, then you will fit in F perfectly. And that is confusing. And then here, it emphasizes it right there. This is F, and this is E down here. And you notice that it comes down like the letter L. After that, everything's pretty straightforward. And it should take you, like, if you don't do this right, 30 minutes. If you do this exceptionally every day, maybe 15 to 20. But if you don't do this very often and you make mistakes, go to an hour. and then notice that you twist it this way and then down. And you gotta lift this up. Right here. Pull this up. It even says you can put this little tool in here to hold it. If you put a little tool in there, it'll hold the safety mechanism up. See how the tool looks? Like that. Alright, thanks for watching. It's a first family project that the kids were very helpful. Now, it tells you don't use a drill like this because this is very strong. This has a slow speed and a fast speed. This is way overkill. What I use is this one. I don't know what the model of this is. It's called a DCF680 cordless screwdriver. But the cool thing about this guy is it's gyroscopic and it's not very strong. So you hit the button, it doesn't go anywhere. Notice it doesn't go anywhere. But the minute you tilt it, it turns. The tilt more, turns more. Now you tilt, you go back to straight, doesn't turn the other way. And then you can fine tune it because it goes slow. And then you turn it, but it's never strong enough to over penetrate. So this is a great tool for alarms, for this type of work. But this guy, it would be too powerful. All right, risk her out. 1-5-24.